Hello guys, Pasquale is here from REPALO. Today, only for you, I have collected from everywhere in the world 4 of the best breaker working in real condition. So you can compare and tell us which one is your best. Watch this video because it's crazy. Here we go. On this first short video you will see one Atlas Copco HB10000, the biggest one manufactured by Atlas Copco, working hard in Stamford thanks to our friend Sean Loans. Second one is one NPK, very good one. GH23, 4200 kilo, working on a very hard reinforced concrete, thanks to our friends from Demtok, Netherlands. Third, we have one Rammer BR4099 working on building road construction in my area. Thanks to my friends for sharing. And last one, my love, Montebet V65 from 2011, working, demolishing, breaking down hard reinforced concrete foundation, thanks to my friends David from Belgium. So guys, now tell me, after this video, which one for you is the best breaker in the world? It's not easy choice. I think that even when is a point to buy a breaker, what will make the difference will be your feeling, will be your heart. Yes guys, heart. Thanks for watching REPALO. Thanks for following us. I thanks a lot my friends for sharing with me their videos. Guys, it's hard times, I know. Please stay strong, stay observant, and keep watching REPALO.